Hello, this is Damian Rios. Um, this is my login to get into the W3 schools. As you can see, I have 100% completion on the SQL uh, lesson, and I have 3 stars and 210 points. Um, just to go through everything, these are all the different parts. And on the quiz, I got 100%, and I completed all of the exercises. My experience with databases um, prior to taking this was pretty limited. Um, I didn't really have that much of an understanding of it, but after taking this online learning thing, I feel like I have a pretty good grasp on the basics of it. The W3 schools, how it was structured with its lessons and exercises, I felt was well thought out and was good and into making sure you really understand the lesson you just went over. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully I did this right. And yeah.